Welcome back to Help Create HTML Tutorials. Let's see today's topic. So, we're going to be learning more about HTML elements today. There are some basic HTML elements you should know about. Let's see what they are. So, the first one is paragraph element. So, the paragraph element defines a paragraph in HTML. It helps in creating paragraphs one after the other. Browsers insert empty lines before and after each paragraph. So the paragraph element is a container element. There's only one attribute defining it, and it is a line. Left, center and right. So it helps in aligning the paragraph as your wish in the web page. Now let's see how to code it. Now let's code it. We'll start with HTML, then head, then title, and we keep the title as paragraph element, and let's close the title. Now we'll close the head also. We'll start with our body. Now I'll start with my paragraph element, and I want to align my element. You have to use an equal to sign, and you have to put double quotes or else it won't take the alignment. So let's put it in center, and I'll write about nose here. So I've written about nose. Now let's close the paragraph element. Closing is very important or else it won't take it as a paragraph. Let's open another paragraph element and we'll align. We'll just see about how to align things and everything. So I want to align this in the left and put it in double quotes and close the bracket. And let me do about my tongue. Now don't forget to close the paragraph element. I'm again getting it. Let's align this in the right side just to see how it will align itself. And so now we'll just close the paragraph element. We'll close our body and we'll close our HTML. Now let's save it and see the result. So I hope you all remember how to save your HTML file into a web page. I'll show you again. Just go to file, go to save as, and here just change it to all files, and then we'll name it as paragraph.html is very important. If you don't put .html, it won't take it as a HTML programming. I've saved it. Now I've got my paragraph element, so I'll just open it. And it's so perfect. The nose which I have placed in the center, it is in the center. The tongue is in left, ear is in right, the title, everything is perfect. So this is about our paragraph element. Please do try it. Now let's see our next element. So let's see the next element. So this is the horizontal rule. And the horizontal rule element draws a horizontal line across the page, and it is an empty element. So the horizontal rule element has the following attributes. If you don't understand what's horizontal rule while coding a web page, you can understand it more better. So the attributes are, first one is size. So it specifies the thickness of the line. So it's going to be a line, it specifies the thickness, and the default value is 2 pixels. and HR size equal to 5. It's just an example how to put the tag in. And if I go with width, it specifies the horizontal width of a line. So the measurement can be in pixels or percentage. So if it is in pixels, it should be HR width equal to 150. And don't forget, it should be in double quotes always, and HR width equal to 60%. In align, it specifies the alignment of text, which is left, right, or center. So the same goes with align. In color, it specifies the color of a text. It can be in name or hexadecimal. It's better you put it in name because hexadecimal is confusing. So now we'll go with no shade. It displays a solid line without any shade. So HR no shade. Now let's use all these attributes and this HR element and create a web page and see the result. Those who didn't understand about HR tag when I explain the text way, this web page will be very helpful for you to understand. So we'll start with our HTML. I've written the main part. Now I just want to write the topic as tense. And we have to first write the text present tense. Just writing the type of tenses. And here we're going to use HR tag. Below that you have to write the HR tag. And we'll first take the size. I want the size to be 5. Then we'll take the color. Let the color be yellow. Okay, we've completed this. We'll go to past tense and then we'll write our HR. If you want, you can use the size again. What I want the width. See, now here color yellow, it will not be the color of the text. It's going to be the color of the line. So now I want the width also. So let the width be 40%. We'll just take it as 40%. Don't forget the percentage symbol. Close the double quotes and we'll take the color also. Color, let's just take it as red. And then we'll take one more. We'll just align it. We'll align it in the center. Okay, we've closed the HR tag. Now, future tense. And we'll again open our HR tag. We just trialing and doing with all the attributes so that you understand which attribute, how is it used, why, and what more. For this we'll use no shade because here we use size, color, width, align, and we'll use no shade here. Because it's an empty element, you don't need to close the tag. We'll just close our body. Now let's just close our HTML tag and let's see how the browser works. Just save it and we'll see how the web page comes out. So I've got the web page. I've opened it. So we've got very less thickness here, 40%, and everything, each and everything which we've put is perfect. So the width, which is the width or the length, is too less. So let's just make a change. Here, instead of 40%, we'll put it as 90%. We'll just go to File and you just click on Save. We'll go here. You have to reload the page and see you've got 90% of it. So this is about our HR tag. Let's see about our next element. So let's see our next element. It is comments. So HTML comments are not displayed by the browser. Any text placed in this comment will be ignored. You can use comments to explain your HTML coding with anyone, which will be helpful for you or with for another person who is editing or reading your document in the future. So the comment tag are, it's with an exclamation. You can see the exclamation, 2 dashes. In place of this and, we can just put up with the comment, and you put the 2 dashes again and close the bracket. So this is how you enter a comment. Let's code this and see how the web page turns out. So I've completed with all the format part, and now let's see how this comments tag works. So before this, let me write about vegetables. I'll just write carrot, tomato, onion, potato. Okay, now I want to write the comment. So my comment will be these vegetables are good for health. And so I've closed it. Now just close body and HTML, and let's see the result. So let's open the comments and let's see the result. See, I can only see carrot, tomato, onion and potato, but I can't see the comment which I've applied here. See, I've applied my comment, which is these vegetables are good for health, but this comment is invisible. So this is about comments. Let's learn more about HTML elements in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to help create HTML tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye.